Hello everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. Pencil sketches have been a cornerstone of artistic expressions for centuries, captivating audiences with their simplicity, nuance, and emotional depth. The history of pencil sketches dates back to ancient Greece and Rome, where graphite sticks were used to create rough sketches. However, it wasn't until the 16th century that graphite pencils became widely available, leading to a proliferation of sketching as an art form. From the delicate portraits of Renaissance masters to the expressive landscapes of the Impressionists, pencil sketches have played a significant role in the development of art, enabling artists to explore, experiment, and capture the essence of their subjects with remarkable subtlety and precision. That is why when I stumbled upon this LoRA or low rank adaptation version of Flux One Dev, which enables you to draw pencil sketches with just a text prompt, I was immediately intrigued. And in this video, I am going to show you how you can generate these sort of pencil sketches, which you can see on your screen with just text prompts. We will be installing it locally and we will see how it works, and I will also try to generate all of these images which you see on your screen and also few of our own. Now, if you don't know what LoRA is low rank adaptation. LoRA is a small model and LoRA always needs a base model, and in our case the base model is the celebrated Flux One Dev model. If you don't know what Flux One Dev is, please search my channel. I would say it is the best model so far for text to image generation. It's a 12 billion parameter rectified flow transformer model which generates very high quality, cutting edge and competitive images with a very high precision. I already have done heaps of videos on Flux models, so just search with Flux on the channel. The tool which I am going to use for this video is called as ComfyUI. If you don't know what ComfyUI is, just go to my channel, just search with ComfyUI easiest and you should be able to find this first video which will make you a hero from zero within 28 minutes 27 seconds. If you have never used ComfyUI, never installed it, it is going to enable you to install it fairly quickly. So I'm assuming you are aware of Flux. I'm assuming you know what ComfyUI is, and if you're following along, you already have installed it by watching the video which I just showed you. So let's go to my ComfyUI console where I will show you how to run this. So you see I just generated this image. How did I generate it? Let me show you. So this is a ComfyUI workflow which I already and I'm also going to give you a free ComfyUI workflow without any registration or without asking you any coffee money or anything. But of course, I'm not stopping you anyway. So I will drop the link to ComfyUI workflow in the video's description, so do check it out. So how do you install this thing? First step you need to do is to install Flux. Again, please watch my channel as how to do it, but just to give you a completion. On Hugging Face, search with Flux One Dev, go to Files, and then scroll down. You will see this 23.8 gig file. Just click on it, right click on Download, save link as. Wherever you have installed ComfyUI, go to ComfyUI, Models, and then in the Models, click on UNet and save it there. Similarly, from the same Flux One Dev website on Hugging Face, make sure to download two clip models, which is clip_L and T5XXL, and then next step we need to do is to download the LoRA. For LoRA, just go to this pencil sketch, the shoes in, and I will also drop the link in video's description. Go to Files and then scroll down. This is the LoRA, which is a small model that enables us to generate a image in a specific format, and I will also show you shortly. Click on that file, right click on Download, save link as, and then in ComfyUI Models in the LoRA directory. Where is LoRA directory? Okay, it's already selected, so this is I already have saved it. And another thing you would need from the same Flux One dev is this V model, which is a variational autoencoder. I already have saved all of these, as you can see, and I already loaded my workflow. In order to load workflow in this new format of ComfyUI, it's an upgraded one. Click on workflow on top left, then open, and then just simply load a JSON file, as I already loaded it, and you will get it in a free link to it. Okay, so now let me show you how you can run this thing. So in the ComfyUI workflow, what you need to do first is to load your models. First model you should always be loading is this diffusion model. Simply click here and select your Flux One dev model from unit directory. It already is there. And then we need to load these clip models. As you can see that I already have selected them. And then this variational autoencoder or V model, which converts an image from latent space to pixel space. And you can just go to my channel and search with latent, and you will know what exactly is meant by latent space and stuff. Now, once these models are loaded, another model which we need to load is LoRA. So you see this is a node. Just make sure that your Shuzin, sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, Shuzin is already selected. And then we are selecting some of the scheduler and sampler here. So you see that for sampler, I have gone with Euler, which is my go-to sampler. Sampler affects the quality, speed, and style of the output image. And then we have scheduler, which is simple. And scheduler controls how noise is gradually removed from the latent image. So this is what most of these nodes are, and then rest of it is quite generic stuff where we are giving some of the properties, like there will be 30 steps to generate it. Then there is some CFG classifier guidance to how much it will adhere to the prompt, and then this is the actual prompt. And like every prompt, it has a trigger word, which I believe is Shuzin, and it is saying that a monochromatic pencil sketch of a ragdoll cat, blue eyes, minimalist, impressionism, and negative space, and look what it has created. Now let me go to its model card and let's generate another one. Let's do this. So I'm just going to this is the one, right? Yeah. So let me copy it, then go here, and then I'm just going to put it here and then click on Q to generate it. While it generates it, let me also show you VRAM consumption. So it is consuming similar to what Flex Dev always does, 28.6 or 28.7 gig of VRAM. So I will let it run so that you will see. So it says that color pencil sketch of a woman wearing red dress, realistic, close-up, minimalist, impressionism, negative space. There you go. How good is that? How good is that? It's such a good pencil sketch, and even look at the cheeks. This is the beauty of the Flux. Look at the hair. I mean, this could be real amazing stuff. And I'm going to put it on the thumbnail of my video. I like it that much. And now in the next one, I'm asking it a graphite pencil sketch of a woman wearing a pearl necklace, realistic, close-up, minimalist, realism, subtle shading. And you see, I have put in this trigger word. So what happens is whenever model is generating the image, whenever it encounters this trigger image, it uses then this LoRA. That is the purpose of this trigger. And there is some also controversy around it where some people think that models ignore it. But anyway, and there you go. So there is a pearl necklace. Looks quite good. Could be improved, but really good graphite pencil sketch. Really lovely. And in the next one, a colored pencil sketch of a girl holding a kitten, whimsical, close-up, vibrant, impressionism, soft focus. Let's see, it's almost there. Wow, how good is that? Really amazing. Beautiful. This is simply lovely. Okay, let's try another one. Now, in this one, I'm asking it a charcoal pencil sketch of a man playing a guitar, expressive, close-up, moody, abstract expressionism, bold lines. And look at this one. This also looks great. And then in the next one, I'm asking it at a pencil sketch of a woman surrounded by flowers, romantic, close-up, delicate, art nouveau. intricate details. And this one is really lovely. If you look at it, this is really delicate, it is intricate, and it really is romantic. Really good stuff. Okay, let's try another one, and maybe I'll just go with some public figure. So I'm asking it that a graphite pencil sketch of Omar Khayyam sitting under a tree surrounded by books and wine, realistic close-up, minimalist realism, subtle shading. Now, if you don't know who Omar Khayyam is, Omar Khayyam was a Persian polymath, I think in 11th or 12th century. He was a mathematician, astronomer, philosopher, and poet, and really did a lot of things in that area. And look at this, look at the wine, and then this red color. This is simply awesome. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. I am quite impressed. Let me know what do you think about this. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.